SCR power controllers have a lot of advantages over traditional mechanical contactors or gas burners. Because they are solid-state devices, they don't have any moving parts. That means they're incredibly reliable and don't wear out the way mechanical systems do. They also offer infinite resolution, so power, current, or voltage can be adjusted smoothly from 0 to 100%. This gives you precise, stepless control, perfect for processes that need accuracy and consistency. Another big benefit is their fast response time. SCRs can switch load power almost instantly, making them great for situations where commands, loads, or supply conditions change quickly. On top of that, SCR power controllers let you select exactly what you want to control, whether that's RMS or average load voltage, current, or even true RMS power. Many models also include built-in current, voltage, and power limiting, which adds an extra layer of protection and helps keep your process stable. And since they're maintenance free, you don't have to worry about regular servicing. Their precise, steady control not only improves temperature regulation, but also helps extend heater life. Overall, SCR power controllers deliver better efficiency, accuracy, and longevity, making them a clear upgrade for industrial application.